All right, somebody left me like a bomb or something on my front door. I'm gonna open this up here and see what's cracking. Oh wait, not this thing? Oh yeah, the box, not the cat. Whoops. Yeah, kind of hard to do this one-handed without injuring yourself. Oh, a box inside of a box. I hate the peanuts. They get everywhere. But I suppose they do serve a purpose. As you can see, it's a Dork item. Let's get out of here. It's an arcade stick, yo. Whoop, whoop. Got for like $30 off on eBay. Big deal. Big time. Well, it's got all the fucking Dork specs. It's got a built-in thief. Well, no, but that'd be cool. So yeah, there's my unboxing of my new Dork equipment. Now I have to go to the gym so I can counteract the dorkiness so I can still be cool like the Fonz. Ayy.